So far we have seen how to create all the masters and sales order, and then planning, then purchase equation and the purchase order, and how to receive the material, and how to clear the material from inspection and bringing into available stock or block stock. So now let's see how we are going to produce these semi-finished goods and finished goods using the raw material. So before that, let me also show you the purchase order layout, how it looks. So here I can select the purchase order and then execute. So this is how the purchase order layout will look. This will be sent to the vendor as a purchase order. Similarly, we can also export to PDF and also send a mail. So we have got 3 pages. The second page is terms and condition, and third page is the delivery schedule. So we ordered 2 different material and delivered 25th September, 1000 kg and 500 kgs. So now we have raw material available in stock. We will see how to produce this material using production order. So let me create a production order. So while planning, it has already created the planned orders. So let me select the quantity. Let me produce 10 safts and production. So here you can see in process inspection, we have given it in metal master, and then let me save it. So one is shaft, another one is piston. So let me create for piston. So we create production order for 10 numbers, and then create numbers and then save. So we have created 2 different production orders, one for shaft, one for piston. So let me just check. So there are 2 production orders. So for shaft, let me open it. So here for 10 numbers, it is automatically given me what is the quantity required. So 5 kgs. So for 10 numbers, it is showing me 50 kg. So now I wanted to issue this material. So I will say 50 numbers and then create a request. So it has created a request for 50 numbers. So now what I will do is I will issue this material. Now I am going to goods issue to production order. So I already created the request from production order for 50 numbers. So let me issue this material. We have got already 500 numbers in stock. So I am going to issue 50 numbers. So then I will post. So it means we are issuing the raw material to production order. So I'll request the material for piston as well. So I'll search that production order for piston. So I need to issue 100 numbers because it's a 1:10. So let me issue 100 numbers and then let me create the request for issuing of 100 numbers. Similarly, I will issue the material, goods issue to production order. So I need to issue the material. Then post. Production order is already open. This is why it's giving me the warning. So I need to come out of that and then post. Okay, so now the materials issued for both shaft and piston. So now the physical production will happen. Once the production is done, then we need to clear the in-process inspection. Okay, let me select the first production order. So that is one operation. It is coming from the routing. So I need to give the setup approval and then I will create the in-process inspection. So out of 10 numbers, I am inspecting 10 numbers and accepted is 10 numbers. Then save. So that means the in-process inspection is over. So now I will select the other one. Similarly, I will create the setup approval and then I will do the in-process inspection. So 10 numbers. Then save. So in-process inspection is completed. So now I will go to production order and deposit these materials. I'll go to edit. I'll go to deposit. See, 10 numbers is accepted. I will say 10 numbers and deposit. So now shaft I have deposited 10 numbers and similarly I'll do for the piston. Go for edit. Okay, so then now deposit is done. So let me do the posting of this deposit transaction to bring it into stock. So create goods receipt and then production order. So there are two deposits I have made. So let me select the first one, SAFT. So how much quantity? 10 numbers. So let me say 10 numbers is received. So currently we don't have any stock. So 10 numbers after posting it will be coming to stock. Similarly I will do it for piston as well. Create goods receipt and production order. So there is one, and I will make the quantity as 10 and then it will be posted. Okay, so let me check the stock now. So 10 numbers is available in stock, and similarly I will check for piston. 10 numbers is came to stock. So now both semi-finished product shaft and piston got produced and available in stock. So now I have to create the production order for finished goods, that is engine. So let me create the production order for engine. So 10 numbers we want to produce and then save. So here you can see there is a final inspection we have specified in the Metal Master. Okay, so now I have to issue this material, shaft and piston. Let me open that production order. Go for edit. Here you can check there is no in-process inspection required for FG. It's only a final inspection. So that's why I'll be able to deposit without in-process inspection. So I'll deposit. Yeah, we have not issued the material. So we need to issue the material first. 10 numbers. And here piston also we need to issue 10 numbers and create the request. Okay, so in inventory we need to issue the material. Goods issue, production order. So we have created the request. So both shaft and piston came as a material which need to be issued. So let me issue first material 10 numbers and second one 10 numbers. So now I will post it. Now if you see the if you see the stock of shaft and piston, it will be 0 because we have issued already to production order for producing engine. Okay, so now the engine will be produced and then it will be deposited. So let me go for edit and then deposit 10 numbers. Yeah, so now we have deposited 10 numbers which we will receive it in stock. So we are receiving 10 numbers from production. Then we will post. Already production order is open. Let me reset. After updating production order, we need to close it. Okay, now I will post it. Okay, so now let's check the stock. You can see 10 numbers showing it in inspection because we have specified as final inspection required. So now we need to go to inspection clearance. So here we will select final inspection. We will clear this 10 numbers as accepted. Okay, we have cleared. So we will do the posting. For that we need to create transfer from inspection log posting. This is final inspection. So it is showing me 10 numbers transferred to available stock. So let me post. Yes. So now let us check the stock. Yeah, 10 numbers is available in stock. So now we have produced the engine and it is ready for dispatch to the customer. So now I need to create delivery request to dispatch it to the customer. So material transaction request. So here I am going to issue this material to the customer. So let me select to which customer we wanted to send. So we have got the sales order for Tejas Industries. So I am going to say which material I am going to dispatch. So engine, and we have got a 3 sales order. So let me select one sale order. So we have got 100 numbers balance quantity to be delivered. So here let me select finished goods, available stock. I think it is not showing any stock. Let me check where it is available. It is in production area. Okay, so let me select production area and then available stock. Production area, store location, and 110 numbers. Yeah, 10 numbers. So let me select 10 numbers and let me save this delivery. So this is the delivery number. I'll go to inventory transaction. I'll create. I'll say go to issue to customer. So whatever the request I created, it will appear here. I can select that and I can post this document so that the material will be issued to customer. See, currently we have 10 numbers available in stock. After this issue, it will become 0 because it's be delivered to customer. Yes, it is issued to customer now. So this is the end-to-end process. Let me check the current stock. So it is become 0 because it is issued to customer. So I want to see the inventory transaction. So what are all the receipt and issues, I can also see it here. So I'll say let me select engine. This report gives me a list of transaction we have made. For example, see the goods receipt we have made for 10 numbers accepted, and then we have issued and transfer from inspection 10 numbers, then issued to customer is also 10 numbers. So this give me all the information about the material. See 10 numbers and 10 numbers it's posted to available stock, then 10 numbers issued. Okay, so there is a inventory report. Here also we can see the total list of stock available within the plant. So material wise, it's give me currently what are the stock available in plant. So we have got these are the materials. See, raw material, semi-finished goods, all the things, the total stock of the material and value of the material, everything we can see it in this report. also there is a material stock report. Material stock report. So this give me opening and closing. So let me select the raw material. Okay, so then I'll execute. Give me for a specific period what is the opening, what is the receipt, and what is the issue, what is the closing. So let me select engine. So opening 0, 10 numbers is receipt, 10 numbers is issue, and closing is 0. And also we can see in sales order you can see 100 numbers is order quantity, delivered is 10, and 90 is the balance quantity. You can also see here, so goods issued to customer, which document, all this information we can see it also from the sales order. Okay, so this is the head of end-to-end cycle. So to recap, we have seen how to create the masters, material master, vendor master, customer master, and bill of material, routing, production version, and then customer SFG, all these masters. Then we have created the sales order, and then we have done the material requirement planning. So this automatically generated the purchase requisition and the planned order for the in-house manufactured item. So we have also created the purchase order for external procured material. We got the material from the vendor, and we have cleared incoming inspection and brought the stock into available stock. Then we have issued that raw material to the semi-finished products. Piston and shaft, we have done the in-process inspection, and we have made the receipt of in-house manufactured item. We brought piston and shaft to the stock. Then we have created another production order for engine. We have issued piston and shaft. Then we have produced this engine, and we have done the final inspection, and we have brought it into stock. Finally, we have issued the material against the sales order which we have created, and issued the material to the customer. So this is a simple end-to-end process. So how it works in EFSPRO ERP. So we have also got many other features like batch wise we can also track the materials, and we have got other processes, in-house production, and also maintenance, plant maintenance. We have got a equipment master, and we have got a work center. So all those processes are also able to do this in EFSPRO ERP. Okay, thank you very much. So let me take back to efficartech.com product website. So here also we have got option for downloading the product brochure. So So this will give you more detail about the various modules and the process which are covered. So this is the product brochure. So this lists out all the modules and all the features about the EFSPRO ERP product. Also, for further product inquiry and channel partners, please keep in touch and mail us or call us, or you can also do the Skype chat. Thank you very much.